So the first thing that you want to do is to open the image that you want to use. Then you're going to select the polygon lasso tool and start to select different points around the section that you're going to make the negative space. Then you're going to select the polygon lasso tool and you're going to start to select the area that you want to make into the negative space section of your image. Obviously, the closer that you zoom in, the more detail that you can see and the more accurately you can select your images. For the purpose of this video, I did it quite quickly and quite haphazardly, whereas if you zoom in and spend a little bit more time selecting the areas more accurately, you'll get obviously a higher quality edit. So I'm just going to skip through that section there. Okay, and then you're going to close the selection path. Here I close the selection path. I'm just going to add some sections into it. So you can add and take away selections by holding down Shift or Control. And if you use the lasso tool, this is much easier to do. Okay, so now I've selected the area that I want to be completely white, as that's going to be the negative space area. So what I'm going to do is just press delete on my keyboard. So right click your selection, go to stroke, change the colour to black, click OK, and then you will have created or imitated the pencil line that Minty Sainsbury has for the outside of that building. And obviously the more detailed your selection, the more detailed and more accurate that line will be. All I'm just doing now is making it black and white. We're going to image adjustments, black and white, and just editing the contrast of that image just a little bit further to make it more effective. And also just adjusting the levels a little bit. Again, image adjustments and then levels, and experimenting with those sliders, seeing the effect that they have. And then you can go ahead and save it as a JPEG. And just ensure when you do that that the quality is up to the maximum that it can be. You might also want to save it as a Photoshop file so that you can edit it again later and you've got the saved effects in there that you can re-edit.